Amazing travel.
What's up, gang? Welcome to Amazing Fun Fit and Travel. I'm Chris. Today we are heading out to Soledad Canyon outside of Las Cruces, New Mexico. So let's go check that out. All right. It looks like we are here. So let's check this out. All right, so here we are. We are at Soledad Canyon, right outside of Las Cruces, New Mexico, also in the Oregon Mountains. This one seems to be about a mile south of Dripping Springs. I've never been here before, so let's see what they got to offer. I can tell you right away, if you can see that, that's so beautiful, amazing. So let's do some hiking in southern New Mexico. All right, gang, here we are, Soledad Canyon. As you can see, this place is amazing already. And I've, only walked in about a quarter of a mile to a half mile. And this place is beautiful. Already passed a couple people. They seem to be all going this way. There's a smaller path this way. So I think I'm going to take the path less traveled and see what happens. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Here we go, Soledad Canyon hiking in southern New Mexico. Let's do it. So this path less traveled is definitely less traveled. Not sure if that's the way or if this is the way. We're gonna give it a shot over here. I can tell you right now, as you come out here, if you come out here, you gotta watch your step. I see a lot of cactuses. I'm also keeping my eye out for any wildlife. Looks like it'd be a good place for some mountain goats or deer and some snakes for sure. All right, I'm definitely not sure if I'm on the path or not, but we're gonna keep going this way, see what we got. Yeah, I definitely see something forming over here. If you're going somewhere for the first time, always have your point of reference. And mine is this little mountain right here. I know if I head towards that and then go north, I'll end up back to the original path. We're gonna take a walk over here because look at that. That definitely looks more like a path or a riverbed that's dried up, one of the two. we're gonna go ahead and hit this up for a few, see where it takes us. All right, let's keep on hiking here in southern New Mexico, Soledad Canyon in the Oregon Mountains. Well, hello gang. I'm a little over a mile in, and this is not going the direction I wanted to go. Maybe I should have took the other path. So we're gonna give this one a shot. I'm hoping this one will somehow start to loop over this way as we continue this. So let's see what happens. We're gonna keep going this way for a little bit longer. Hiking in southern New Mexico. Good times. All right, I don't know if you can see that sign. Danger, restricted area, artillery firing range. All right, so everything where I just came from has just been uphill. It's going uphill a little more, and obviously you can't go that way. So I'm gonna take it back down this way, see how I feel, and if I feel good, I'll take that other path also. All right, let's see what happens when I get there. All right, hiking in southern New Mexico. Gotta love it right here on Amazing Fun Fit and Travel. I'm Chris. Don't forget, if you got time, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Oh, there's a deer. Oh, that kind of scared me. Really close. You see him right there? There he is right there. That's kind of freaky. I knew I'd see some wildlife out here. I'd rather see a deer than anything else, I think. I've never been attacked by a pack of deer, so I don't know. But I've never seen a single deer attack someone unless you bother him. So we're gonna keep going, try and get by where he's at and leave him alone. All right, here we go. Always got to stop and just soak it in. It's just crazy how beautiful these mountains can be. What's crazy is how close that deer got to me. Like 20 to 30 feet in front of me and just stares at me. He was a little bit bigger than the ones we saw in Dripping Springs, so he's definitely older. Or she. But the one thing I can say about this trail is it's filling my shoes with little rocks. So I'm gonna have to stop in a minute to empty out all the rocks and sands out of my shoe. But coming down, nice and easy. Going up, it was just a straight incline. Straight incline, maybe about 20%, just continuous, and then a little higher in other points. But yeah, it's a good walk. Definitely, if you want to burn a few calories, head up the way I head up at that incline. That was a nice calorie burner there. All right, let's keep going. You know, I keep seeing these signs right here, Bar Canyon Trail, but I've seen them crossing throughout the path, so I don't know if I just take this, if it's just gonna cross over this main path that I'm on, but I'm gonna go, I got the energy. I'm gonna go ahead and head down this a little bit and see where it takes me. If I don't like the direction it's going, I'll just turn around and come back. All right, let's try this way. All right, gang, as you can see, the way I went definitely brought me right up onto the mountains here. I honestly didn't know it was gonna go up at such an angle, but I just stuck with it and kept going. Way down there is the path we came in on. There's supposed to be another path over there. I'm hoping that if I continue on this, I'm gonna meet up with the other path over there, so I don't have to walk all the way back down that way, end up over there, and then have to walk down from there. So let's see what we got. Let's see how many miles we've gone. All right, we are a little over 1.5 miles, which is good. I want to do a minimum of 3 miles here, so I'm definitely going to do that. Onward. All right, I think I might have hit a turnaround point. I was over there, walked there, dropped down this gulch, came back up here, and now looks like it's going in the direction of where I need to be. But just an idea, look at how close we are to the mountains. We're basically right on them. There's rocks right there and there, big ones, probably about 20 feet high. All right, well, let's see where this trail takes us. There's a little trail here. I'm a little afraid. You know what, let's just go up it and look over the top. See what we got over here. Yeah, pretty much a lot of nothing. We're gonna go ahead and go down on this where there's a sign that says Bar Canyon Trail, and it's heading down, so hopefully it's the right direction. Hope I don't have to come back up this way to get out. If I do, more miles for me. All right, here we go. All right, I may have been wrong. We're swinging back opposite of where I need to go. We're going this way. Well, let's see what it does. Hopefully not too much more uphill. And it does look like it's wrapping around from here and going back over to there, which seems to be heading the right direction. All right, well, I'm definitely getting a workout today. And just so you can see, let me lean back. We are right under that puppy right there. Amazing. Hiking in southern New Mexico, gotta love it. All right, I'm Chris, Amazing Fun Fit and Travel. If you're enjoying, make sure you like and subscribe, comment and share. Let's keep going. All right, looks like we've come to a crossroad. That brings us back down. That's a mile or so back down, or we can go further up. We're gonna do that next time. I've already got about 3 miles in the belt right now, so Another mile or more to go down, so we're gonna get 4.5 miles up here today, which is more than I thought, because I was under the understanding that this was only about 3 miles, and maybe it is if I would have just took the path more traveled first, just walked up and back, probably 1.5 miles back, up and back, so 3 miles. But yeah, I decided to start going along the mountainside and went about 1 mile off the track. But that's good. I'm not complaining. I love it. Means I don't have to do any push-ups today. All right, let's start heading down. See where this takes us. Okay, so I just passed something that you don't see every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Let's see. You see that? What is that? A deer hoof? A cow hoof? Well, somebody's missing a leg and it's right there. Oh my God, that is crazy. Can you believe that? What the hell? I just had to show that to you. I don't know where that came from. But all right. We are getting closer to finishing. There's where we came down from. Let's see if we can keep this pace up and finish this in a good time. All right, here we go. Well, all right, gang. We are at that point where at the beginning of the hike, we had to decide if we were going to go on the well-traveled path or the not so well-traveled path. We took the not so well and we came back on the well-traveled. It did, by taking that little Bar Canyon loop, it brought us around that way and then back down that way. So that was good times. And we are going to wrap it up now. I hope you guys enjoyed Soledad Canyon, Las Cruces, New Mexico, in the Oregon mountains. A nice, beautiful place, a good place to get away, and there's a good chance you'll see some wildlife like I did. Hey, I'm Chris, Amazing Fun Fit and Travel. We are hiking in southern New Mexico. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Wink.